Hello and welcome to another Clickbank video. I have been getting a lot of questions about Clickbank. I have people ask me, why have I never made a Clickbank commission? Why? I've been, I've done everything. I've done email marketing. Yeah, just the basics. See, the thing is, you have to understand, the majority of affiliates out there, the people that claim they're making money on Clickbank, the ones that really are making money on Clickbank, they're not going to share with you. Like, how stupid can you be? Do you actually believe that people are gonna make money and share it with you? No. Now there's a few people out there. Like, I try to help. I'm not promising that you're going to make money even if you join my coaching program. I cannot guarantee anything. But my thing is, nobody's going to show you how to make money unless they're actually tasking you for it. They're gonna charge you enough money, like they're gonna charge you. There is no way that you're making money and you're just giving it away for free on YouTube. It makes no sense. Those guys, they will never show you their Clickbank accounts. They will never do that because, to be honest, they're really not making any sales. A couple of people are making money, but the ones that are making money, they're not gonna put videos on YouTube. There's no time for that. If you're making money, then why share it? But anyways, I'm going to share with you some stuff that actually works. If you want to sell a diabetes product, for example, you have to understand the markets. If you go to this diabetes offer here, I have it open here, and I'm watching this
for
video.
years to assemble this shocking medical data, which allows type 2
Right.
diabetics to normalize blood sugar,
Right.
reduce neuropathy pain,
Right.
and be taken off all diabetes medications and
Really?
insulin injections.
Really?
It is so effective at controlling.
Is it really effective? Okay. I've actually sold this product. I spoke to the product owner. He's a great person. Um, I was giving nice tools to promote the product. I actually got some sales with this product. This is actually a great product. Says this sales page, I don't think it's the best sales page. Like, who in the world is gonna buy this product? Who the heck will buy this? Like, let's be honest. This seems like a scam. It smells like a scam. But the product, I've been told that it's actually a great product, and I've sold it. I hear it's a good product. But let's be honest, who would buy this product? Chances are older people are gonna buy this. Okay, so let's get right to it. Um, One traffic source that I like to use for Clickbank is Able. You should go ahead and bookmark this right now. Bookmark this traffic source. This is one traffic source that a lot of affiliates are using. Um, and the cool thing about this traffic source is that I would say the majority of the offers, I don't know, I would like to say about 90% of the offers that are being promoted in this traffic source are actually Clickbank offers, which is actually cool. People are crushing this traffic source with Clickbank. Now, I'm not going to say much about this traffic source, but they do accept all kinds of offers, from adult to dating, weight loss, everything. They accept all kinds of offers. And another thing I like to mention is that if you want to promote a product like this, there is no way you're going to convert direct linking. You'll probably get a few sales, but you need a landing page for this. You have to warm up your visitor. That's the point of a landing page. If you send the visitors here, they're gonna say, "Look, this is a scam." They're gonna land here and they're gonna just hit the back button. Like, who's gonna buy this? This is a great product and it has a high conversion rate. It is a top diabetes offer currently on Clickbank. But if you send someone here, if you had a diabetes problem and you landed on this website, would you actually buy this product? You have to think. Think as you were the visitor. This is why you get conversions. This is why when you create your own product, it's the best product. Because you would actually purchase your product. You have to think as your visitor. Stop trying to make money and actually try to provide solutions. Try and help people and you will make money. And I see a lot of affiliates make this problem. They go on Clickbank, they pick a product, boom, they set up a page, and then boom, they just send traffic. How do you expect to make sales? You're not actually in this to win it. You're not actually trying to solve problems. You have to help people. If somebody has a weight loss product, find a weight loss solution. For this product, if I want to promote this product here, I'm gonna make a landing page. I'm gonna speak with the visitor. I'm gonna say, hey, blah blah blah. I'm gonna recommend this diabetes. This is the best diabetes product. This is a great product. This and that. They have about 364,000 Facebook likes. You mention stupid little things like that, and it actually helps with conversions. You want to build a relationship with the visitor. Okay, so Able is actually one of the best traffic source for Clickbank. It's in my top, I would say top 20 or top 10. It's actually one of my favorite traffic sources because it actually converts. It's not my favorite ones, but it's one of the best ones. So if you're an affiliate just getting started, this is one place you want to look. There is a minimum $100 deposit. If you want to know my private traffic sources where you can start with no money, just $1 to get started, boom, join my coaching program and we'll get you started. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. I actually got some pretty cool stuff coming up this week. Okay, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see all of my videos. Some of my videos are going to be private. Okay, see you soon, my friend. Boom.